Sanibona babukeli, ninjani? Ngithemba niyaphila. Ngizocela ni-subscribe, ni-share, ni-like lo msebenzi lo. Namuhla ngiphethe zithi ikhansela le-MK lase-North West liyaziqhelelanisa nale ncwadi ebekade i-circulate-a ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Le ncwadi ibibhalwe ukuthi ikhansela le-MK leli seli-resign-ile esikhundleni sokuba yikhansela kwiwadi la elikhansela khona ukhansela uThabiso. Nangu-ke la ividiyo useyikhulumele yena ukuthi leyo nto ayikho, akayazi nokuyazi yena. Awuzizwele-ke mbukeli, nansi ividiyo.
Gwaza Mkhondo, Gwaza Mkhondo, Gwaza Mkhondo, Gwaza Mkhondo. Gwaza Mkhondo, Gwaza Mkhondo, Gwaza Mkhondo, Gwaza Mkhondo. Ba re ke a resign ebile ba itumela. Ga gona go ke yeng teng. I'm still a member of MK Party. I'm still a councillor of MK Party deployed in the Rustenburg local municipality council. I'm going nowhere. I'm still a councillor. That resignation is I distance myself from it. I distance myself from it. It's a trap. I've never resigned.